SUN2000-2 KTL to 6 KTL-L1 installation video. Unpack and check whether the deliverables are complete. Mark the positions of holes using the marking off template. This video describes the support-mounted installation, which provides a reference for the wall-mounted installation. Secure the mounting brackets. Install the inverter. Install a screw at the bottom. Prepare an OT terminal. Connect the PE cable. Install the antenna. Install the smart dongle. This video describes how to install a 4G smart dongle, which provides a reference for installing a WLAN FE smart dongle in the FE communication scenario. Install a SIM card. If the purchased smart dongle is configured with a SIM card, skip this step. If a smart dongle is configured, install the smart dongle before installing the antenna. Prepare an AC terminal. Connect the AC output power cable. Prepare DC terminals. Connect the positive metal terminal to the positive cable. Crimp the terminal using a crimping tool. Incorrect crimping. Connect the positive cable to the positive connector. If you hear a click sound, the cable snaps into place. Tighten the locking nut using an open-end wrench. Crimp the negative metal terminal and negative cable. Connect the negative cable to the negative connector. If you hear a click sound, the cable snaps into place. Tighten the locking nut using an open-end wrench. Check that the cable polarities are correct using a multimeter. Connect the DC input power cables. If you hear a click sound, the cable snaps into place. Remove the waterproof covers from the battery ports and keep them aside. The method of preparing battery terminals is the same as that of preparing DC terminals. Connect the battery cables. If you hear a click sound, the cable snaps into place. Prepare a communications terminal. Reserve 20 millimeters for 2-pin terminal crimping. Fold the terminals and crimp them. Reserve 10 millimeters for 3-pin terminal crimping. Connect the signal cable. Verify the installation. Set the DC switch to on.